This is the fiber laser source. Is the most important parts for fiber laser mark machine. Let's open the box. Is there quality certificates? Some precautions for laser use. This is a laser source. Is a Raycus 20 watts fiber laser source. Let's take out the laser source. The yellow cable is the fiber cable. The gray cable is the power cable. This is the laser output head. The model of this fiber laser source is 20 QE. If you want to buy a fiber laser source, you can buy 20 QE or 20 QB. Don't buy 20 QS or 30 QS because the quality is not very good. It's very difficult to repair the laser source if you are not living in China. The socket is to connect with the control board. The price of the 20 watts Raycus fiber laser source is about $600.